Technology evolves quickly, and inventions which are brand new improvements to older tech promise to be life-changing, convenient, and accessible. But technology, both digital and physical, takes some time to brainstorm, design, make, and perfect. That's why we initially read about brand new years that are tech's willing to hit the industry. If you should be wanting to learn about technology that's set to drop or evolve in the upcoming 12 months, you are in the area that is right. Here you will find the 6 technology styles set for 2022. Number 1. The next generation of electric vehicle batteries, with greater range and improved safety, could be emerging in the form of lithium metal, solid-state technology. Lithium-ion batteries enabled the earliest EVs, and they remain the most common power supply for the latest models coming off assembly lines. Automotive News reports that the advanced technology battery is due to power future Teslas, saying the 4680 batteries will have 5 times the storage capacity of current Tesla battery packs and will cost 50% less to build. This is the first time Panasonic has unveiled the 4680 battery. Tesla is changing the battery cell chemistry that it uses in its standard range vehicles, the automaker said Wednesday in its third quarter investor deck. The new batteries will use a lithium iron phosphate (LFP) chemistry rather than nickel cobalt aluminum, which Tesla will continue to use in its longer range vehicles. Number 2. Mega-constellations of satellites. Low Earth orbit satellite systems. Mega-constellations are systems utilizing hundreds to tens of thousands of satellites in low Earth orbit (LEO) to deliver low-latency broadband data services anywhere on the planet. Elon Musk is doing great job on this technology. Starlink is a satellite internet constellation operated by SpaceX, providing satellite internet access to most of the Earth. The cost of the decade-long project to design, build, and deploy the constellation was estimated by SpaceX in May 2018 to be at least $10 billion USD. Number 3. Connected homes or smart homes. A smart home allows homeowners to control appliances, thermostats, lights, and other devices remotely using a smartphone or tablet through an internet connection. Smart homes can be set up through wireless or hardwired systems. Smart home technology provides homeowners with convenience and cost savings. Also, smart homes allow you to have greater control of your energy use, all while automating things like adjusting temperature, turning on and off lights, opening and closing window treatments, and adjusting irrigation based on the weather. Number 4. 5G is the 5th generation mobile network. 5G wireless technology is meant to deliver higher multi-Gbps peak data speeds, ultra-low latency, more reliability, massive network capacity, increased availability, and a more uniform user experience to more users. Emerging 5G networks feature lower latency, higher capacity, and increased bandwidth compared to 4G. These network improvements will have far-reaching impacts on how people live, work, and play all over the world. Emerging 5G networks feature lower latency, higher capacity, and increased bandwidth compared to 4G. Number 5. Affective AI. Affective computing. Affective computing is the study and development of systems and devices that can recognize, interpret, process, and simulate human effects. The machine should interpret the emotional state of humans and adapt its behavior to them, giving an appropriate response to those emotions. Using affective computing technology, computers can judge the learner's affection and learning state by recognizing their facial expressions. In education, the teacher can use the analysis result to understand the student's learning and accepting ability and then formulate reasonable teaching plans. Number 6. iCloud service. Artificial intelligence as a service refers to off-the-shelf AI tools that enable companies to implement and scale AI techniques at a fraction of the cost of a full, in-house AI. The concept of everything as a service refers to any software that can be called upon across a network because it relies on cloud computing. Data as a service is a useful tool when you want to compare your organization's performance against peers. With DAOs, organizations can access global data and create benchmarking reports that may include financial performance, turnover, leadership effectiveness with percentile breakdowns.